Yeah,
Exactly.
I love that. All right, now we're moving up a little bit. What are we talking about here?
So, you know, once you are past the toddler stage, your children are going to need constant entertainment. And Mad Science really does a good job of having fun for the kids. They're
Shall we get sciencey?
Yes, we're gonna get sciencey.
I feel like we should get sciencey. Okay,
so
cool.
Mad Science, I don't know if you remember, but they're celebrating their 40th anniversary.
Yes.
I know, and it's I remember them when I was a kid, and they really bring science to life for kids. It's you know, so fun and interactive, way more fun than an iPad.
Yeah.
You know, and we're really, you know, teaching kids, like fostering those little scientists, those engineers, or you know, whether they're doing. They can do slime, they could do rocket launchers, they can do all sorts of chemical reactions and stuff.
That's the thing. I think it's so cool. You can encourage this kind of like curiosity.
Learning.
Yeah, and learning. Okay, so what are we doing here?
So we're gonna make our salt lava lamp.
Oh.
Okay. So Mary, I'm gonna get you to put a couple of drops of the blue food coloring in. All of this stuff you can find in your kitchen, so you don't have to go shopping for it.
Love
we're gonna
that.
stir it up.
Okay.
And then we're going to drop in some of the oil.
Okay.
So it's vegetable oil. And you know, everything's made of molecules. The vegetable oil is lighter, has less density than the water, so it's gonna float to the top. And then we're gonna drop in the salt, which is heavier than both of them.
Okay.
And that is going to create this really cool, goopy lava lamp effect.
Ooh,
And
look
when the salt dissolves at the bottom, it's actually
look at it go.
Yeah, so you're gonna see that come back up. So I did this experiment with my 9-year-old the other day, and like hours later, he's like, "Mom, that was so much fun. That was so cool." And it's just like warms your heart because, you know, it's something you could do together.
1000%.
It's great for the families. They do birthday parties, summer camps. They have after-school programs.
Yeah.
And with their 40th anniversary, you can scan the QR code that you're gonna see on your screen, and you can get a special promotion from Parents Canada. So
that is fantastic. I love this. Gail, thank you so much. This was... Hey, Mary here. What did you think? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more of the good stuff.